Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Classes with me. In this video, we will learn how to solve linear equation step by step using Python. Like yesterday we have seen related to the variable part. Variable means this kind of thing like x, y, like find x, find y kind of thing. Okay. So same variable what we have done, we have just did the basics thing like simple multiplication and we have done it manually. Right now we will use some libraries like this one sympy, simpy or simpy anything, and we will use to find the value of the variables. So find x, find y, anything. So first thing first, let's understand from starting what is called linear equation, right? In maths you might have seen like this kind of equation ax plus b equal to 0 kind of thing. So what is a and b? A and b are numbers and x is what? A variable. Okay. And if you want to see the number part, we have seen like this 3x plus 2 equal to suppose 7, like this kind of thing. Okay. Like this kind of example, I would say this number example, this is mathematical example. So here we will be finding out the value of x just by giving this two value, and we won't do it anything manually. We will be using the libraries in Python and we will find out the equation, I mean variable. So first thing first, what 8 minute, what libraries are we using? Pandas, normal library, no worries about it. We will be using simpy, sympy or simpy, anything. So from simpy import symbol equation solve. Okay. Here I have used three things: symbol, equation and solve. Okay. So what are symbols, what are eq and what is solve? Let's understand this. Symbol is what? Symbol is like creating variable. Okay. What is symbol? We have used symbol, right? It is like creating variable. I will be showing the practical as well. So it is like creating variable. Okay. There is a next thing called equation. What is equation? Simple as the name suggests. It creates equation. Okay. It creates what? It creates equation. Third thing is what? Solve. What it does? It solves the equation. Okay. Simple as it is, it solves the equation. Okay. Simple. We will be using this three functions from the library. What library? Simpy or simpy, anything. And we will find the value of x, y or whatever variable we will be using. Okay. Right now let's write the let's see the practical part in our Python notebook, or what you say, Jupyter notebook. So first thing first, related to the code, whatever code I will be writing here, I will copy and paste it in the comment section. You can just copy from here and paste it and use in your own Python environment like Google Colab, Jupyter notebook, the same we are using, or VS Code. No worries about it. It will work on any of the Python environment. Just make sure to import all those libraries like pandas and numpy for this video and for this explanation. Okay. First thing first, we will create a variable. How we will create it? We will write x and we will say symbols and say like this x. Okay. Simple. Here we have imported what? Symbols. Take. And here we have used the function. What it is written, you can write a name, star, class, everything. It transforms string into instances of class symbol class. Okay. Until and unless you don't import this library into your Jupyter notebook, you won't be able to import all these things. So first we have created a variable name symbol. We have told Python also कि this is what we are creating. This is what actually we are creating. ठीक है. After this, we will be going on to the next part. We will be creating a equation. ठीक है. How we will create it? Simple. We will use EQ. And where is EQ? This one. So let's give a variable before it. Equation. ठीक है. So EQ written. After this we will give the equation. So 3 into, what equation should I give? 3 into x plus 4. ठीक है. And after that I will write suppose 13. Okay, let's understand this step by step what it is all about. What it is all about, let's understand this. So here is the code that I have written. ठीक है. This is what? This is a Python variable, simple as it is. Python variable, right? What is this? This we have imported from this library. ठीक है. 3 normal number x, we have already shown this here related to this. ठीक है. Plus 4, this is normal equation. ठीक है. And this is 13. So how you write it in maths actually? You write 3x plus 4 equal to 13. So right now you get it what I am trying to say. 3x plus 4 is what? LHS, the data which is in left hand side. 13 is what? RHS. So here whatever you will write is on the left hand side, and here whatever you will write is after the equal to. ठीक है. That is on the right hand side. So here we won't be giving equal to, here we have given a comma. So this is the same thing, kind of represent the equal to here with the comma. ठीक है. We have told in equation, this is the equation and this is the 2 parameters we have to give. Let us check here. See, LHS RHS, what they have given? LHS RHS. ठीक है. LHS RHS means left hand side, right hand side. Left hand side, right hand side. Is it visible? Yeah. ठीक है. Simple as it is. So right now we will be, 1 minute, giving one more thing here, that is we want to find the solution. What we will write? Let's give a variable solution and we will say solve. After this what we will say? Solve what? Solve the equation, and what you have to find? Find the value of x. ठीक है. Simple as it is. Solve the equation and then what you will do? You will be finding out the value of what? X. Simple. So here you have seen we have used 2 parameters here. ठीक है. What 2 parameters we have used? First thing first, we have used equation and we have used x. So in kind of Python language, what you will be saying, like what it is all about. ठीक है. It is all about variable and values. ठीक है. This is like the variable and this is find the value. ठीक है. Just understand it like that. ठीक. And solve is what? From here we have took the solve part. See, solve, f, symbols and flag. So this is the thing, how it is told, x minus 3x, solve equation this. Simple. You can write solve and after that you can write this in place of equation. Anyhow we have given the variable for it. So this is the thing. It won't work right. See, right now I have just executed it, so no error here. But if you want to find out the actual solution, what you have to do? You have to print, or should I write it here? Print solution. ठीक है. Because solution is what? It is a variable 3. Let's see. 3x plus 4 equal to 13. Let's see if it is correct or not. Obviously it will be correct, but let's see. 3x plus 4 equal to 13. So 3x equal to 13 minus 4. 3x equal to 9, x equal to 3. Simple as it is. What's the answer? 3. चलेगा? It is correct. This is how we find the output. ठीक है? Whatever thing you want to write it here, whatever equation you want to create it, and you will get the output here. No worries about it. So we have seen how we can find the value of x just by using Python, and as I've told you, I will be talking and discussing about the maths function from very basic to the advanced part. In upcoming videos we will see how we can use this kind of scenarios in a data frame, right? Because as I've told you, we will go from very basic to the advanced. That's why I'm saying I would have kept the thing here in this video, but still what I have decided that let's understand one step at a time, because I know most of you might not be from a non-technical background, might be from non-technical background, who want to come to technical domain and explore. That is the reason why I am keeping each and everything separate and making a particular video for better understanding. So before closing the video, if you have any doubts related to this, please join my live stream, ask me doubts there related to either this topic or related to SQL, related to Python for data analytics, related to Power BI. Anything you want to ask, you can just ask me personally in the live stream which we conduct each and every day in our YouTube channel, and you can just clear your doubts there. I will personally help you out, and there is no need to pay or something to ask question in live stream and all. It is free of cost. Just join the live stream and ask me doubts. So how will you get notification of the live stream? Just click on the subscribe button with the bell icon. You will get notification of the live stream for the doubts class, right? We conduct live stream every day, to be honest. Second thing, if you understood or got some value from this video, please click on the like button and share this video to someone who is doing a transition from non-technical domain to technical domain and wants to explore like what topic in maths should be on the first priority, or someone who is brushing up their maths knowledge for data domain. Please share this video to them. It would be really helpful for them as well. So that's all about it. Let's meet tomorrow in a new video. Till then, bye bye, take care, happy coding, happy learning, and happy querying.